Yes, my people. Tonight, I have a look of fun with Google. I have some questions I want to ask Google. So, first one I want to ask Google is how to open a bank account in America.
According to Manito, U.S. Bank, you need to be 18 or older and a legal U.S. resident to open a checking account at U.S. Bank. You'll also need a social security number and a driver's license or state military ID. Once approved, you'll be asked to submit your opening deposit to activate your account.
Alright, we hear about America. Alright, that one there. You just need an ID and a social security card. So, that is just like having a TRN. And they put a lot of money in there if you activate the thing. Alright. So, come and check out Jamaica, So, Jamaica do it. How to open a bank account in Jamaica?
According to JN Bank, all you need to do is 1. Bring along your TRN card and a national ID, such as your driver's license, TRN not necessary with driver's license, elector registration card or passport to your nearest JN Bank. 2. Complete the JN Bank forms on spot. And 3. Select the savings account type and make a minimum deposit to open your account.
Alright. Unless something change what I don't know about, but I know hear nothing about the reference. I mean hear nothing about the past and the JP. Quite sure so when me up meet me have to do them things there. You have to run all over the place. So you see the difference? You see in these black country how much pressure where black people put on we. It's either them not trust we or something, but yeah, I have to get some reference from a JP or somebody who have a bank account. So let me check England and see what England has say. How to open a bank account in the UK? Well, try it again. How to open a bank account in England?
Here's a summary from Manito. In order to open a UK bank account, you generally need 2 things. 1. Proof of your identity, and 2. Proof of address.
Alright, that one that sounds simple. Cause we follow England a lot, so I try to see if them talk about JP and them something the same way and reference and but I guess I just have to carry like a bill for sure so you live there. Sounds simple. Alright, anyone who have a bank account in the UK, drop me a little line in the comment section a year ago. Tell me something in the comment section. I mean I love to know if I see a procedure like Jamaica. But boy, I tell you, I have a bank account and it gone dormant. That's her name. It just gone sleep. Because I not visit it for a while, but me have more than one bank account, so I just not visit that one for a while. And then when you go back to the whole procedure, you have to go back and get reference and stuff. And you have to wonder if the computer just forget about all the information when you give. Or what? So now you have to go back to the procedure. So I end up just telling say you can't keep your money. And then I think about it and say maybe that them want to do. So, I them thing I will go through. Them ever put with you a lot. So, me kinda I go ask about KFC. Me have look of fun here. Fun we have, I ask about KFC. How much pizza? One what then give me with the 2-piece meal. Me just want cause me know say when me buy a KFC in America we get one whole part. We get one big old breast if you ask for the breast, you get a whole chest part there so. And so them cut it and ribs and cut just cut it one whole at a time. What do you get with a 2-piece KFC meal? Well, let's do that again. What do you get with a 2-piece KFC meal?
According to KFC, 2 pieces of everyone's favorite original recipe chicken with regular fries and a drink.
I want to shot them left off, and I guess them not tell everything. So, but I know say you get a biscuit. You get a biscuit, you get a 2 piece of chicken, you get a French fries, or you can switch this French fries to coleslaw, mashed potato, or macaroni and cheese. Yeah, and you get a biscuit. Yeah, so them cut the breast one way the way them just you know make more out of the chicken and them don't give you a biscuit. So Jamaica, them don't give you a biscuit. Right, then just give the fries and the 2 piece of chicken and one drink. So you go. Guess what? And we buy the most chicken. Cause KFC America, you got KFC America, you now wait long. You get through quick as you go. There. No line. No line at all. Popeyes, yeah, you go Popeyes and get and be in a line because Americans mostly they like Popeyes more than KFC, but Jamaica love KFC. So we are spending most money on KFC. We are get the less. You see how we go? Cause we not no government. Some people don't say what government have to do with it. A lot, a lot. So just have a look of fun still. So as I may always say, my people, be blessed. One God.